I'm going to show you how to make an arrow holder for less than $10. What you're going to want to do to get these materials is go to your local hardware store. First thing you're going to need is one of these flanges. It's a 3-inch closed flange. There's no opening in the bottom for the arrows to get through. While you're there, you're going to get a 3-inch piece of PVC pipe. We got this one. It's a 2-foot piece. Or you can get a full-size piece, which makes about 5 of them, but that does mean you have to buy 5 flanges. The assembly on one of these is very easy. You can assemble these in less than 30 seconds. Here is our 2-foot piece that we picked up, and we have our flange that is sealed. And all you gotta do, sit it right on there, do that, turn it around, twice. Done. We have this one right here. This was actually a scrap piece we found in the barn. So this was completely free to us, but we did have to buy the flange. All you gotta do, slip it in there, shove it down. And there you go, you're done. We got 2 of these now. And that was probably less than 30 seconds. Pop your arrows in here. So this one, as you can see, just the tips are at the top here. This one you're gonna have a little bit more. It'll open up a little bit more. If you're interested in these fletchings, go check out our other video. It'll be, the key will be up in the corner. Go check these out. They're called Zinger fletchings. And we'll see you guys in the next one.